Imagine this, you are an elderly person living in the United States. One day your phone rings, it's a tech support agent warning you about the serious issue with your computer or bank account. Scared and unsure, you agree to the instructions. Hours later, your savings are gone. What you just fell victim to is one of the biggest scams operated from thousands of miles away in India. Hi everyone, welcome to the Prince Sensha. Today we are diving into the shocking world of cyber fraud, where fraudsters from India are preying in elderly Americans, stealing billions of dollars each year. Stay tuned to learn how this scam work, why they target seniors, and how you can protect your loved ones. Here's how these scams usually work. The call. The fraudsters pretend to be from big companies like Microsoft, Amazon, or even the IRS. They use fake caller IDs to look legitimate. Second, the fear tactic. They scare victims with warnings like your computer has a virus or there's suspicious activity on your account. Third, the hook. The victim is convinced to allow remote access to their computer or transfer money directly. Or the loop. Once inside, the scammers steal sensitive information, bank details, or even lock the computer for ransom. These calls often come from illegal call centers in cities like Delhi, Noida, and Kolkata, where thousands are employed to scam people daily. Why target elderly Americans? Actually, elderly Americans, many seniors, are not tech-savvy, making them easy to confuse. They often live alone with no one to verify these calls. They are more likely to have significant savings or retirement funds. According to the FBI, seniors lose over $3 billion annually to scams like these. India has unfortunately become a hub for these operations. Fraudsters set up fake call centers, paying employees as little as 10,000 to 20,000 rupees a month to cold call hundreds of people daily. Recently, law enforcement in both India and the US have started cracking down. In 2023, several raids uncovered call centers stealing millions. But the operations continue because of weak laws and high unemployment driving desperate people into this job. Here's how you can protect yourself and your loved ones. First, don't trust unsolicited calls. If someone calls claiming to be tech support or from a government agency, hang up and call the company or agency directly. Never share sensitive information. Legitimate companies never ask for passwords and money over the phone, so avoid to share sensitive information. Third, educate your family. Make sure elderly relatives know about these scams. Fourth, report scams. In the US, report incidents to the FTC or FBI. In India, encourage reporting to local cybercrime unit. These scams hurt not just the victims, but also the reputation of hardworking, honest people in India. Raising awareness in the first step towards stopping these products. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word. And remember, stay informed, stay safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Prince Sensha for more insightful content.